In this time I will show you how to crochet 2 elements in freeform technique. The first element will be the leaf, and the second one will be a flower. For work you need 2 balls of yarn and a crochet hook. Begin the work. Begin the flower. Make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The ring is ready. Chain. Make 11 single crochet stitches into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Work a slip stitch into the first chain stitch on the beginning of this round. The round is made. Chain to bring up the yarn. And chain 2 more. Now I am making puff stitch made of 5 stitches. Insert the hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, pull up a loop. We have done 2 times. Make the third one. 4 and 5. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook and pull through. Make a chain, chain 2 and single crochet into the next stitch. The first petal is made. Let's begin the second one. Chain 2, then yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop. Make the third time, the fourth and the fifth. Then yarn over, pull through, make a chain. Chain 2 and single crochet into the next stitch. We have done 2 petals. Let's make the third one. Chain 2, make the puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then yarn over, pull through and make a chain. Then chain 2 more and single crochet into the next stitch. We have done 3 petals. You should make 3 more. In total it should be 6 of them. I have done all petals. Make a chain of 2. Work a slip stitch into the first chain stitch on the beginning of this round. The flower is ready. Now I will be making the leaf. Insert the hook into any chain space. Take the green color of yarn, chain of 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Make single crochet into the third chain stitch away from the hook. And make single crochet into each chain stitch. The first row is made. Chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the work and treble crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook around this stitch. Take the working yarn, pull it through. 1. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook around the stitch, take the working yarn, pull it through. 2, 3, 4, then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, we have done the stitch. Then treble crochet into the next stitch, yarn over the hook, take the working yarn, pull it through. 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, pull through, make a chain. Make treble crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over the hook and pull up a loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over, pull through, and treble crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, pull through, we have done 4 stitches. Then I am making double crochet stitches. Make double crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop 3 times. 1, 2, 3, then yarn over, pull through, and double crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop 3 times. 1, 2, 3, then pull through, and double crochet into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop 3 times. 1, 2, 3, then pull through, then half double crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop 2 times, 1 and 2, and pull through. Then half double crochet one more time, and 2 single crochet in a row. 1 and 2. The leaf is made, and let's look at work. Today we have learned how to crochet 2 elements in freeform technique. For more video tutorials, please visit our website shareyourknitting.com. Thanks for watching. We are pleased to inform you that we have opened membership service on our website. Membership includes an access to the video tutorials which are published every week, only at shareyourknitting.com and only for members. For more detailed information, please visit the membership page at shareyourknitting.com. Thanks for watching.